everyone, my name is Reed and I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a fresh polished look in just 10 minutes. And ये वीडियो उन सबके लिए होने वाली है, those who are busy women, whether you're a housewife, whether you're office going, college going, whatever, you are going to create this polished fresh look, dewy look in just 10 मिनट्स। आजकल किसके पास इतना टाइम है कि हर रोज़ आप आधा घंटा या 20 मिनट मेकअप पे लगाएं? सो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी परफेक्ट फॉर दोज हु आर बिजी। परफेक्ट 10 मिनट makeup tutorial that you need to see and your life will be sorted. So let's get started.
Your first step is to clean your skin very well with a gentle cleanser. I like to use Bioderma or simple face washes. Then is to proceed with moisturizing. Make sure your skin is very well hydrated before we start the makeup process. If you like very light coverage for everyday, just like me, you can use MAC Studio Fix Compact. This is a great alternative. If you don't want to go for heavy looks with foundation or concealer, this is really well for humid areas. You just simply have to dab it and you are done and sorted. If you want a little bit of coverage, for example, you want to cover your under eye pigmentation or around the mouth pigmentation, then you can use a concealer which is of your skin tone. Remember, it needs to be of your skin tone, not a lighter, not a darker shade.
So after blending the concealer, you can this side is more bright as compared to this, but this is also not looking so bad. So if you're somebody who's living in a humid area, I would say go for Studio Fix. This is better. And then if you're applying a concealer, make sure you lock it either with a compact or a loose powder. So for the eyebrows, I have two options. I have Swiss Beauty, which is a good cheap option, and I have Etude House. Eyebrows, I have two options. Either I can use Swiss Beauty, which is amazing, dark, good. It comes with this brush, and I have Etude House, and all the products that I'm using will be in the description box. You can go and check out. These two are affordable options. So let's do it. For the brows, I would always say start from the top like this. We'll always create a stencil first and then we'll fill later. So you see how I'm not holding it like this because this will give me a harsh line. I'm holding it like this. I just want some tracing to be done. This, correct. And with very light hands. Next from the brush side, जिसके जहाँ पे डायरेक्शन है हेयर की उसको हम उस तरफ ड्रैग करेंगे. I'm dragging it upward और जैसे ये हेयर पीछे जा रहे हैं, just take it downward. So this is how I like to do my brows every day. Now that both my brows are done, this is the close-up. You see how natural they are looking. If you want, you can fill it up further, but I think for every day, and especially when you're doing a 5 to 10 minutes look, this is good enough. Doing a brow is very important because it frames your face and it gives you structure. You can see how my face is looking lifted. Now it's time for me to do my favorite part, which is blush. So it's time to add some color to my cheeks. I would say जब आपने compact लगाया है, आपने अपने base को set किया है, don't use any liquid blusher. Instead use a blusher जो कि creamy हो और आपको बहुत ही अच्छी natural dewy finish देगा. So ये है O2O का. You can check my description for this. I will apply on little bit on my nose because I like that flushed, look. And you notice how I'm applying upward. I'm going to blend it to get a lifted look. I will blend towards the temples. I love the color of this blush. Also using a cream blusher, I feel it gives you very long lasting effect and it doesn't fade away. Because blusher एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपके face से सबसे पहले गायब होती है, absorb होती है. So you see how my face is completely changed. Like I've got definition, I've got freshness. Now it's time for me to do a little bit of contour, a little bit of bronzing because adding warmth to your face is very important. We conceal our face when we apply compact foundation. हमारे जो features हैं वो flat हो जाते हैं. To bring the features back, blusher लगाती थोड़े से features बाहर आए हैं. To bring the features back more, I'm gonna use a little bit of warmth on my face, like a bronzer, contour. You can choose as per your preference. So I'm gonna go with my old school Benefit Hoola. Now you can use any bronzer, any the funda is to have something that is darker than your skin tone. तो थोड़ा सा blusher लेंगे, not too much. You see the difference already. A little bit on my nose to kind of contour it. एंड फेस को जैसे बॉर्डर करते हैं ना, वैसे यू हैव टू बॉर्डर इट, and that's it. This is exactly what I want.
If you're somebody who's starting up with makeup, or if you're somebody who just want to step into the world of makeup, I would say always have a palette. सबसे पहले आप एक basic अच्छा
Palette लो that have neutrals in it, you know, the warm shade, the pink shade, जो हमारी Indian brown skin के साथ बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं. So I have this palette by Huda Beauty, and this is matte. I don't know the exact color of this, but this is Cool Matte Obsessions. This is my most favorite palette these days. Now if I'm going for a meeting, or if I'm going to my office or attending a college, I would want my eyes to pop up a bit. This is my most favorite step. Just take a kajal और बहुत roughly लगाना है. You don't need it, you don't need perfection, और उसको आपने smudge कर देना है with your finger. Now after doing this, if you have a neutral palette, I'm just going to take a brown shade on my finger and I'm gonna apply it like this, and I applied the same thing, same kajal again, blending it with my fingers, and there you see very soft smoky eye created. And you can do the same with this eye, and you can actually play a lot with the colors. You can add brown, you can use black, you can use blue, purple, according to the outfit and the mood that you're carrying that day. Feel that on the brown skin looks really nice is a brown kajal. So I'm gonna use on this eye, I'm gonna use this brown pencil. It looks really beautiful. If you're wearing a white chicken curry suit, something, and then you can just blend it with your finger. Trust me, it is the easiest look that you can carry any day. Yeah. So I'll just show you the difference between both the eyes. So this is like a soft color, very soft, of a bronze with some shimmer in it. Weather is getting so beautiful here. Okay, so I'm gonna use, the last step is to use a mascara. It just takes me 30 seconds to do it, and this is my most favorite mascara. अगर आपको खरीदना है, आप आंखें बंद करके खरीद लो. This is by Mars and it's super nice. Now that you've seen, this is how I create my 10-minute morning makeup ritual every day to get this flawless, beautiful look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you found this video helpful, और नीचे comment करके ज़रूर बताओ what was your most favorite makeup tip and any other video that you want to see from me. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. Till then, keep blushing, keep glowing. Bye bye.